first grade friends, and welcome back to Math with Miss Applewhite. It is so good to see you again. Give me a thumbs up if you are excited about learning more math. I know I am. So let's get started. We have been learning about equal parts or equal shares. What does that word equal mean? Can you think of what the word equal means? How about you? Yes, the same. Equal does mean the same. Excellent job. So when we have equal parts, our parts of an object are the same size. Now, are they always going to be perfect? No, but our job is to do the best that we can to make them as close to being equal as possible. And you have learned yesterday with Lola about making halves and fourths. How many parts would I have if I have halves? Everybody, tell me. I want to hear it. Yes, 2 equal parts. Excellent job. How many equal parts would I have if I had fourths or quarters? Yeah, 4 equal parts. Great job. So, we are going to practice today working with halves and quarters. So, I drew 2 shapes right here. Boop, boop. What are these 2 shapes? Yes, circles. And they are 2D shapes. Why are they 2D shapes? How about you? They're flat. Very good. So I want to make these 2 circles into halves. What is one way that I can make these circles into halves? How about you? Yes, draw a line from the top to the bottom. That would be a vertical line. Can you say vertical? Very good. So we're going to draw a line from the top to the bottom. And now I have 2 equal parts, or 1/2. Good job. What is another way that I could do halves with this circle? How about you? Yes, I could draw a line from the side to side in the middle. That is called horizontal or a cross. So let's say horizontal. Excellent job. So both of those shapes show 1/2. Very good. Now let's move on to these 3 shapes over here in this corner. Boop, boop, boop. What shape is that? Yes, it is a rectangle. Is it 2D or 3D? Go ahead. Yeah, louder. Yes, it is a 2D shape because it is also flat. Very good. Now I want to practice putting these rectangles into fourths or quarters. Does anybody have an idea how I could do that? You. Very good. So they said a line from the top to the bottom and from side to side. So that would be 1 vertical line, 1 horizontal line. Very good. And that would be 1/4. Good job. Now let's see, is there another way? I heard 4 parts, with going up and down. Let's see. So I can make this in half, so that would be 2, half here. That's 3, half here. 4. Is that 4 equal parts? Yes, very good. So those are vertical lines to make 4 equal parts. Is there another way? Yes, somebody said side to side or across, and that word is horizontal. Yes, good job. So I'm going to make this into 4 equal parts using my lines going horizontal or across. Great job. So is that 4 parts? Yes, and one of mine's a little off, but we still try our best to make sure they're as equal as we can. So all of those rectangles show us 1/4. Excellent job. You guys know a lot about halves and fourths. Now, when you finish watching this video, you are going to log into Seesaw, and you will find this sheet right here. La, 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 la. And this sheet has some instructions at the top. Let's look at it. Color the shapes showing the whole, one whole, blue. So that means there's no equal parts. It's just the entire shape or whole shape. So I will get my blue and I will shade in the hole. This circle looks like a hole to me because it's not broken or divided into any parts. Now, let's look at the second direction. Color the shapes split into 2 equal shares or halves red. So we're looking for those 2 equal parts or shares. And I see up here this heart. What color am I going to color it? Ah, yes, red. Thank you. I'm going to shade it red. Now the third direction. Color the shape split into 4 equal shares or fourths green. So here we go. Does anybody see one? Oh, yes, very good. I heard it. It's right here. Somebody said the circle with the X in the middle. Yes, that gives us fourths or 4 equal parts or shares. Excellent job. So you will follow those directions to finish the rest of the activity. When you are done, you will click the green check to submit your learning. I can't wait to see all the amazing jobs and work that you guys do with making halves and fourths. And I can't wait to learn again next time. See you soon!